Today, Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf (PTI) held a major rally on the outskirts of Islamabad, aimed at demanding the release of former Prime Minister Imran Khan, who has been imprisoned since May 2023 on various charges. These include corruption allegations related to the Tashikana case, accusations of leaking state secrets in the Cipher case, and involvement in inciting violence during the May 9, 2023 riots. The rally saw a massive turnout of PTI supporters, calling for Khan's immediate release and condemning what they perceive as political victimization by the current government. 9 source. 10 source. Imran Khan was arrested following a no-confidence motion that removed him from office in 2022. Since then, he has faced multiple legal challenges, including allegations of illegally selling state gifts worth millions of rupees and leaking classified government information. While some charges have been dropped, Khan remains in custody, leading to widespread protests across the country. 10 source. PTI leaders took the stage during the rally, heavily criticizing the government's actions and warning that the protests would continue until Imran Khan is released. They also postponed a planned rally in Lahore to focus all their efforts on this Islamabad event, marking it as a significant power show in the party's ongoing campaign. The rally is part of PTI's broader strategy of holding nationwide demonstrations to put pressure on the government to release their leader and restore political stability in Pakistan. 9 source. Amid growing tensions, PTI has made it clear that they consider Khan's release essential for Pakistan's democratic process. The rally saw numerous speeches advocating for his release, with participants chanting slogans in his favor and denouncing the government's handling of the situation. The PTI's strategy of organizing rallies across various cities aims to demonstrate its strength and mobilize public opinion against the current regime. 10 source. The political atmosphere remains charged, with the possibility of further protests and sit-ins if the government's response does not meet PTI's demands.